Okay, good day to you all. Today I received a message from the store. I should get a new laptop, the Duo, that I talked about previous in my last video. But that laptop they can't get their hands on. So this week I'm gonna get the ROG Strix Scar 15 G533. It's also a laptop with a 3080 in, a 15-inch screen, and the screen is 300 hertz. The rest is the same. It's a performance laptop. And I'm very curious about the RTX 3080 inside with Ryzen 9 5900HX. So I'm gonna get it, I think, tomorrow or Tuesday. And what I'm gonna do then, I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna make a setup video. It's liquid metal technology for the cooling. Keyboard, optical switches, very durable, they say, but I want to see it. And what I hear about it, it's very good sound in it. Battery live longer. Now I should see what I can do with an with a game laptop when you game on a battery. Normally an hour, 1.5. It's aura sync, all RGB. And the touchpad, you can convert it to a numpad. Very curious about it. Wi-Fi 6. And on the back side, I can use also my big screen. There's a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and it supports DisplayPort. You get 1 month Xbox Game Pass. That's all blah blah. Peripherals. So, tomorrow or Tuesday, my new laptop is coming in, and it's now the ROG Strix Scar 15. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. See you by the unboxing. And for all, be safe. Bye bye.